How's everyone doing today? Well, it's about the 20th of November and I'm back at the garden. I've got one last harvest to do here in the Carport greenhouse here. It's going to snow, I think, 10 to 15 centimeters tomorrow. So I am preparing for that. I think everything is out of the garden for the most part now. I put some Salanova lettuce in here and I haven't really watered it or haven't really been over here at all in a while. But it's still looking good. It looks like it's starting to get a little old, so I need to get that harvested today. And that will be the last harvest of the season. And actually, to be honest, I've got some more carrots over here as well that I'll probably pull out some of these as well. So I got some carrots in here still that I can pop out. And the gun's getting a bit hard, so I've got my pitchfork over there that I'll use. So maybe, we'll do that first because then I can put my lettuce on top of the carrots. And it looks like the deer's been back again, chomping around. I will set this up for you guys to watch me harvest a few carrots. So because the ground is a bit harder now, it's a lot easier with the pitchfork here. I'm just gonna go in, just kind of wiggle it up a bit. Down the way. And we'll just pull them out like this. So there we go. There's still, some of them are pretty small. These are the ones I put in mid-August, but they're still delicious. Well, you can tell some of them are really babyish, and some of them are fairly decent size. That's a good one. So this will be a pretty good crop here, I think. Oh yeah, we got some great carrots here. So it's nice that I'm getting this late harvest here, and this just shows that you can grow food in a colder climate here and harvest later in the season. And with carrots as well, you can leave them in the ground for a little longer because they're a root crop, so they'll stay pretty good in the ground without freezing up. And actually carrots taste a little better too once there's a few frost. They get a lot sweeter. And yeah, there you go. There's some nice carrots. So what I'll do, then I'll pull a tarp over here where I've harvested my carrots here so that it will start killing more weeds off for the springtime. And there you go. So I'll finish doing this quickly, then we'll go over and cut the last bit of lettuce we have as well. All right, so my camera keeps changing settings on me every time I hit record for some reason. But anyways, I'll put the little quick action of me doing my last Salanova cut here. And it is amazing that this greenhouse, Carport greenhouse here, has let me grow food until the end of November for the most part here. And I probably could have kept this stuff in a bit longer as well if I really wanted to. And I'll probably leave these guys here, down here, still a few more. But I wanted to have some fresh lettuce. It's been a while. And I'm not really into the grocery store lettuce anymore after going through my own fresh stuff. So if you're in Canada, zone 5A, 5B, this just shows how long you can extend your season. It's been a fairly warm November as well, but we've had a few pretty hard frost the past few weeks. But I think last week we had a few days that were like 20 degrees. So having this helps. And even covering my lettuces even more with some row covers even extends the season even more. And one last thing I want to show you guys here that I planted here last year before I erected the Carport greenhouse is some thyme. This is the second year of it coming back. And I think I've cut it twice this year, but it's really amazing right now. So I'm going to pick some of that, take it home, and I'll be making beef stew this evening with some locally sourced beef, some of my fresh carrots that I just picked, and I'll be tossing some of this thyme in to make it amazingly tasty. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that quick video of my last harvest of 2020. Let me know what you guys are still cutting out there and growing and eating if you're in Canada, because I know the season for most of us is over. But if you're anywhere else, let me know what you're growing and picking as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. It helps me out big time. And give it a thumbs up and share my videos around. It's muchly appreciated. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you out there. Have a great day.